Hello student, today we will do question number 11 from miscellaneous exercise on chapter 7 NCERT math books class 12. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 11. First, we will simplify this. Here we will multiply numerator by denominator. Sin A minus B into sin A minus B divided by cos x plus A into cos x plus B. We can write sin x plus A minus x plus B. This we can write sin A minus B into I sin A minus B. This will be cos x plus A into cos x plus B. We can write this 1 by sin A minus B into sin A minus B. Formula is, this is on formula sin A minus B. So sin A to cos B minus cos A into sin B. This divided by cos x plus A into cos x plus B. This is, now we can write this 1 by sin A minus B if we will divide this sin x plus A cos x plus B, so cos x plus B will be cut, so it means this will be sin x plus A divided by cos x plus a minus, and if this will be divided by, this will be divided by this, so cos x plus a will cut, so this will be the sine x plus b divided by, here also this is in numerator and there is no place for here, so I have written downwards. So this whole thing is in numerator from here to here. So if we divide this, so cos x plus a will cut, so this will be sin x plus b to cos x plus b. Now we will integrate this, so integration of 1 by cos x plus a into cos x plus b dx is equal to, this is constant, so we will write this outside, will be 1 by sine a minus b, the integration of sine x plus a divided by cos x plus a dx minus integration sine x plus b divided by cos x plus b dx. 1 by sine b integration of this will be minus log cos x plus a of this will be minus cos, so log minus minus, this will be plus log cos x plus c. So we can write this 1 by sine a minus b this will be log m minus n, means m by n. So we can write this cos x plus b divided by cos x plus a in mode plus c. This is the answer. I hope you must have understood this solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next question. Till then, take care.